Detox your mind. Let go of what's not yours to carry. Welcome, friend. Let's take a deep breath together. In and out. You made it here, and that already says something powerful. You're ready to detox your mind. Not with smoothies, yoga poses, or charcoal powder, but with real inner clarity. Today, we're diving deep into a practical, freeing, and slightly humorous journey titled Detox Your Mind. Let go of what's not yours to carry. This isn't just a fancy title. It's a call to unload what's been silently dragging you down. Chapter 1. The heavy backpack you didn't know you were wearing. Imagine walking through life with a backpack full of bricks. Every brick has a name: guilt, worry, other people's opinions, that weird thing you said in 2012, your cousin's drama, societal expectations, and oh, don't forget your boss's unrealistic deadlines. You didn't pack this bag consciously, but somehow it ended up on your shoulders. We carry weight that isn't even ours. Mental clutter, emotional noise, expectations we never signed up for, and then we wonder why we're exhausted by lunchtime. Chapter 2. Recognizing the mental clutter. Mental clutter is sneaky. It shows up as overthinking a text message, ruminating on a conversation, or replaying scenarios where you should have said something better. It disguises itself as responsibility, productivity, and even care. But here's the truth. Not everything that concerns you is yours to fix. Ask yourself, am I carrying this because it's mine or because someone handed it to me? You don't need to be the emotional UPS driver for everyone around you. Chapter 3. The Art of Letting Go Without Guilt. Letting go feels like a betrayal. You worry you'll seem selfish, detached, or cold. But here's a plot twist. Letting go is an act of love for yourself and others. When your mental space is clean, you can show up more fully, more kindly, more present. Repeat after me. I release what was never mine to hold. Feel the weight shift? That's not imaginary. Chapter 4. Common pain points you might recognize. Emotional exhaustion. You feel drained, not from doing too much, but from thinking too much. People-pleasing fatigue. You say yes when you want to scream no, then you're resentful and confused. Imposter syndrome. You carry the fear of not being enough, even while over-delivering. Responsibility overload. You're the unpaid manager of everyone's issues. Not fun, not fair. Detox Your Mind, Let Go of What's Not Yours to Carry speaks directly to these struggles. And the cure? Boundaries, perspective, and a pinch of boldness. Chapter 5. Mental Decluttering Techniques That Work. Let's talk tools. No fluff, just strategies. The mental dump. Grab a journal, write everything that's circling your mind. All of it. Don't edit, just dump. The 2-column rule. On one side, list things you can control. On the other hand, list what's outside your control. Guess which column you focus on now? The no practice. Say no, out loud, in the mirror. Practice until it doesn't taste bitter. Boundaries are detox in disguise. Silence as a detox tool. You don't need to fill every silence. Stillness resets the nervous system. Try sitting for 3 minutes without stimulation. Your brain might scream at first, but it'll thank you later. Chapter 6. Creating a mind-safe routine. Morning routines are hyped for a reason. Here's a minimalist version. Wake up. Don't grab your phone. Breathe deeply. Say aloud, today I carry only what is mine to carry. Choose one focus for the day, just one. In the evening, detox again. Reflect, what burden did I carry today that wasn't mine? Release it with gratitude, not anger, not shame, just a gentle goodbye. Chapter 7. Humor is a mental cleanser. Laughter is brain bleach, seriously. Have you ever laughed so hard your problems temporarily vanish? That's not a glitch, that's a feature. Inject lightness into your inner world. Not everything has to be so serious. Picture your inner critic wearing clown shoes. See? Lighter already. Chapter 8. When the mind is quiet, wisdom whispers. Here's the part that no one tells you. When you detox your mind, you start hearing your true voice, not your mother's, not society's, yours. It speaks in feelings, clarity, and calm. That inner wisdom doesn't shout, it hums. But you need silence to hear it. Detox your mind, let go of what's not yours to carry isn't a one-time process. It's a practice, a choice, a lifestyle. But each day it gets easier. Your next step. So here's what I want you to do. Pick one thing today that you're carrying but never asked to. Just one. Say goodbye to it. Then watch what happens. You'll walk lighter, think clearly, breathe deeper. Remember the title because it's your guidepost. Detox your mind. Let go of what's not yours to carry. Come back to it, live it, and share it with someone else who needs it, because we all do. Until next time, breathe deep and carry light.